Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To scare birds away with sound, consider using ultrasonic bird repellers, which emit sounds at frequencies birds find disturbing but are inaudible to humans. Alternatively, bioacoustic systems that play distress calls of certain bird species can effectively deter them from the area. For a DIY solution, hanging reflective objects that create noise, like CDs or aluminum cans, can also discourage birds by combining visual stimuli with sound. Remember, consistency and variation in sounds are key to preventing birds from becoming accustomed to them.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.